Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I have a completely different video for you today. I have an unboxing of a live houseplant. So I received this in the post and it's actually a birthday present, and I've been waiting for it for so long. This houseplant is from Hortology and it's the first time I've actually received any plant through the post. So in times of during COVID, when all the shops are closed and everything, I think this is a great way to get your plants, because obviously it's not going to be accessible for everyone. Most stores are closed. So without further ado, let's dive in to the unboxing. So what is really handy about this box so far is that it has carry handles on both sides of the box, so it's for easy transportation and carrying. So there we are. So let's get started. We finally accomplished taking it out of the box, and it looks like it's in one piece for now, but I'm just going to take out the plastic and see without cutting off any leaves. So here you can see the plant looks in quite a stable condition, even though it was packaged. I'll do a close-up shot later on so you can see properly, but this is what it looks like all around. It comes with a plant passport. So this is called the, I'm going to butcher the name right now, aren't I? Schefflera Arboricola bush. And another name for it is the umbrella dwarf plant, which is easier to say. So here I think you can scan this and it'll give you more information. So I'm going to pop that back in there. I think there was another one here. I think it's the same. So it's 50 by 85 centimeters. I'm absolutely in love with this. You can see it's hitting quite some nice sunlight. This is exactly what it looks like after a month. I thought I'd do a month update. So here you can see between my fingers there's some new growth, so fingers crossed I will be able to keep this alive. And so far so good. It's been a month and I haven't killed the plant, so that's something. So the main bit that I've pulled from the tree care and info guide from the Hortology website is that it's best grown in bright indirect light and to partial shade. Water when the soil has become slightly dry. Water thoroughly and allow to drain freely. They like to be moist but not wet, so don't leave them sitting in water. The temperature is basically normal household conditions, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Feed is once a year, so with a balanced fertilizer during the growing period. The only care tip they've got is that if the plant becomes leggy or too tall, you can prune this back, pinch out new growth if you want to keep the plant small and compact, and obviously wipe leaves occasionally to remove dust. As mentioned before, this is air purifying, so the Schefflera filters airborne toxins from the atmosphere. So the ultimate height for this plant is 1 to 2 meters, but this can be easily trimmed and It's considered mildly toxic, so if you do have pets, keep them away from pets and also children. The origin of the plant, it's native to Taiwan. So I hope you've enjoyed unboxing this plant with me. I hope to do more plant unboxings with you because it's now my new passion, and let's say my dad called it my new obsession. So I will try and get more plants because we kind of need it right now from being indoors. So all these, this is actually a air purification plant, so it's really good for you. So if you've liked the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, drop a comment down below if you'd like to know anything about the plant. I'll leave the link down below for where you can get the plant if you're interested. That is the end of the video, so I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, take care and stay positive. And with that, I'll see you in my next video. Hope to see you soon, and bye!